The Cubot KingKong Star versus the Cubot X70. Which of these two devices has the best specs? Now this comparison is actually different because I'll be comparing a rugged phone with a standard phone. The X70 is not a rugged phone, so it lacks the durability features of the KingKong Star. But the reason why I'm comparing these two devices is because they pack very similar specs. So in this video, we're going to be pointing out the differences and similarities in terms of specs. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's dig in. So as you guys can see, both the KingKong Star and the X70 pack very similar specs with little differences. Now while the KingKong Star is a 5G device, it is powered by the Dimensity 700. It doesn't mean that the processor on the KingKong Star is better than the Helio G99 on the X70. The G99 is very similar to the Dimensity 700. I think the only difference is the fact that the G99 is a 4G processor while the Dimensity 700 is a 5G processor. But when it comes to performance, these processors are very similar. So in conclusion, if you want a stylish rugged phone that is designed to be durable, then you might want to check out the KingKong Star. But if you want a standard smartphone that is not heavy, that is lightweight, that also has a beautiful design and tons of cool specifications, then you might want to check out the Cubot X70. I'd like to hear your thoughts about these two smartphones, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.